Do you want to know how you can log into your GM Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your GM Payroll account. Go ahead and search for GM Payroll on your browser or your website and click on this link over here. After you open GM's official page, what you need to do is click on its page over here and go to Customers. After you click on Customers, you can see My Account on the right hand side. Go ahead and click on it and click Sign In. After you click Sign In, this login portal will open up. This is the official login portal of GM Payroll. Now, the first step is to write down your email address. You must write down a valid email address which is associated with your GM Payroll. So go ahead and write down your email address, then write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure to check it by clicking on this "So" icon, and you can hide it by clicking on Hide Anytime. And if you want your browser to sign you in, just go ahead and click on this box. And then the final step is to click Sign In. This way, you can successfully sign into your GM Payroll account. So, first step is to write down your email address, the second step is to write down your password, and the third step is to click Sign In. So guys, this is how you log into your GM Payroll account. If you have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.